today I'm going to be showing you how to do the oil reset maintenance on all the Toyotas. Now for the newer Toyotas that have the touch screen and all that, sometimes you got to operate it, or with the controls right here, sometimes you got to operate it with that. Now this is for mostly all Toyotas. Basically what you'll do is put your key on the on position, but not starting, where all the lights will illuminate. Two things either you can do this on. Either you can do this on the odometer or you can do this on A. Each model is different. So one, we're going to try with the odometer, and then there's A. I believe you can do it on both. So trip A, you can't do it on trip B, but odometer or trip A. So you were going to press and hold the little button right here. We're going to take off the key, so press and hold it. It's going to be hard at the same time. All right, so that one didn't work on the odometer. So we're gonna put it on trip A, just like that. So again, you're gonna press and hold it before doing anything. So let me do this. This is kind of hard to do it with one hand. So you see right there while I'm holding it, how it's counting right there. Once it hits 0, that means it's resetted. So it worked on trip A. And then the oil reset maintenance light, voila, it's gone. So normally on this one, it's right here in the little corner. So right there, you see it? No more. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. And hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.